Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, today in maths, we will learn to compare numbers. Open page number 84. Comparing numbers. Children, we had already learned this. Greater than, less than and is equal to. Remember now? In our second chapter. Comparing numbers. The two-digit number with a bigger digit at the tens place is bigger than the other two-digit number. Now understand this, children. If I have two numbers, 84 and 65, with a bigger digit at the tens place. So what we will do? If I want to compare these both numbers, I will check tens place first. Here 8 tens and here 6 tens. 8 tens is bigger than 6 tens. So 84 is bigger than 65. So what we will do, children? We will check first tens place. Now, if the digit at the tens place is same, then the number with a bigger digit at the ones place is bigger. Look at here, children. 56, 59. We will check the tens place first. 5 tens, 5 tens. Both are same. If the digit at the tens place is same, now 5 tens, 5 tens. Tens place is same. So what we will do now? We will check ones place. 6 ones, 9 ones. So 6 ones is less than 9 ones. 9 ones is bigger than 6 ones. So 59 is bigger than 56. 56 is less than 59. Understand, children? Yes. Now let's do the exercise. Remember, we will check tens place first. Write greater than, less than or is equal for the following numbers. One is done for you. Check first number. 91, 27. 9 tens, 2 tens. 9 tens is bigger than 2 tens. So 91 is bigger than 27. Now 69, 72. Check tens. 6 tens, 7 tens. 7 tens is bigger than 6 tens. So 69 is less than 72. Remember now, children, mouth of a crocodile. Now 75, 49. 7 tens, 4 tens. 7 tens is bigger than 4 tens. So 75 is bigger than 49. So the mouth of a crocodile will be open at the 75. 47, 45. Now what we will do, children? If the digit at the tens place is same, 4 tens, 4 tens, same. So let's see ones place. 7 ones, 5 ones. 7 ones is bigger than 5 ones. So 47 is bigger than 45. 83, 65. Let's see tens place. 8 tens, 6 tens. 8 tens is bigger than 6 tens. 83 is bigger than 65. 22, 25. Tens place is same here. 2 tens, 2 tens. So we will check ones place. 2 ones, 5 ones. 5 ones bigger. So 22 is less than 25. 84, 95. 8 tens, 9 tens. Which one is the bigger, children? 9 tens. So we will keep the mouth open of a crocodile at the 95. 68, 68. What we will do here? Which one is the bigger? No one. We will put is equal sign. 68, 68 is equal to 57, 59. 5 tens, 5 tens. Same. So, ones place. Let's check out ones place. 7 ones, 9 ones. Which one is the bigger? Of course, 9 ones. So, 57 is less than 59. 36, 25. 3 tens, 2 tens. Which one is the bigger, children? 3 tens. So, let's keep the mouth of a crocodile open at the 36. 81, 18. Check out this kind of number always. They maybe get confused, right? Right. But we will check the tens place first. 8 tens, 1 tens. Which one is the bigger? 8 tens. 81 is bigger than 18. 74, 47. 7 tens, 4 tens. Which one is the bigger, children? 7 tens. So 74 is bigger than 47. Very good, children. Now let's do the next exercise. Write greater than, less than or is equal for the following numbers. One is done for you. Children, same exercise, but here we have number names. In first exercise, we compared numbers, and here in this exercise, we will compare number names. 94, 49. Which one is the bigger? 94. 94 is bigger than 49. 65, 65. It is very easy. Both are same number. So we will put the symbol of a is equal to 65, 65. 19, 90. So children, you may get confused. So what we will do here? We can write the numbers in bracket. If we have a confusion, then only. 19. So I can write down 19. 90. 90. If I have confusion, then only I will write down numbers. Otherwise, I will do not write down numbers. 110, 910. Which one is the bigger, children? Now you can say easily that 19 is less than 90. 78, 87. Children, 70, 7 tens. 80, 8 tens. Which one is the bigger? 80. So, 87 is bigger than 78. 50, 15. Another number that that may confuse to you, right? Yes. So here you can write down numbers in bracket. 50, 50, 50, 5 tens. 15, 1 5 15, 1 10. Which one is the bigger, children? Yes, 50. 50 is bigger than 15. 69, 65. So what we will do? 60, 60. Same. So check out ones. 9 ones, 5 ones. Which one is the bigger, children? 9 ones. So 69 is bigger than 65. 84, 64. 80, 60. 8 tens, 6 tens. Which one is the bigger, children? 80. 84 is bigger than 64. 91, 91. Same number. What we will do here? Is equal to